getting really close to 3180, 3190, something like that. But if we get through this, we can just rip faces off, right? We got the VPOC, but although it's weak, there's a nice short on this if the market allows it. Just pulled the trigger on that Amazon. I knew it. I was loving that thing right there at 80. Weak VPOC and a pop into a 60-minute 9. That's a great short. We're up at the end. I should have just pulled the trigger. Gonzo, man, these things are gone now. So I'm sitting in my hands for a minute. I want to watch this Amazon real quick. Sometimes it gets me to bounce back up. Come on up here.
Order filled.
Let me get a sell order out real quick. Just take some profits if I can get it.
Order filled.
There we go. Just got paid. Another sell order sitting out. Take some more profits here. I don't want to lose sight. 26 is, I want to be completely out at 26, right? I don't want to lose sight of that.
Order filled.
Pay myself a little bit more there. I got another sell order out here on Amazon. I think I can get paid one more time here. And then just hang on to these last couple of contracts. And it's, it's already made my day, right? I don't even really have to do anything else.